Now we come to the next mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to form ether. When ethanol is treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius, it gives ethoxyethane, or you can say diethyl ether. When the reaction takes place at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, it forms the alkene. When the reaction takes place at 140 degrees Celsius, it gives ether, that is ethoxyethane. Mechanism is completed in 3 steps, and mechanism, you can say first step. It is similar to the formation of ethene. What will happen in the first step? There is an ionization of sulfuric acid to form proton and hydrogen sulfate ion. And CS3, CS2OH. This is a molecule of ethanol. You can say ethyl alcohol or ethanol. And attack of proton takes place on this oxygen atom to form protonated alcohol, CS3, CS2OH. This one is partial positive charge. This one is protonated ethyl alcohol, protonated ethanol. This is the first molecule of ethanol has been consumed to form the protonated alcohol, protonated ethanol. But in this reaction, 2 molecules of ethanol are used. First molecule of ethanol has been used to form protonated alcohol, and in the second step, this CS3, CS2OH, this protonated alcohol will eliminate the water molecule, because oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon. That's why electrons are pulled up by the oxygen atom to form CH3, CH2 positive charge plus H2. This is ethyl carbocation. In the same way, now in the case of third step, CH3, CH2, this will ethyl carbocation will react with the second molecule of ethanol, which is non-protonated, OH, CH2, CH3. This is molecule of ethanol, second molecule of ethanol. This is non-protonated molecule of ethanol. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons here. What will take place? Now, water molecule, which has been already liberated out, it forms the oxonium ion like this one, CH3, CH2, CH2, you can write in this way, CH3, CH2. This carbon will react with the oxygen atom, OCH2, CH3. Now there is deficiency of one lone pair of electron, because this will be bonded to this carbon atom. This is oxonium ion is formed. This is, you can say, protonated ether. You can also say as protonated ether or oxonium ion. Now the next step, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. There is a hydrogen atom. Deficiency of one lone pair of electron. Now what will happen? Since oxygen is more electronegative, then it will attract the shared itself and this hydrogen will be broken as a proton and we get CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Now there are 4 electrons and proton is liberated out. It is diethyl ether. This is mechanism of formation of ether from the alcohol. And you have to write the mechanism of reaction between propanol CH3 CH2 CH2OH at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid to form propene. You have to write the mechanism of this reaction, propanol to propene. You have to write the mechanism. I am giving this